Good morning, guys. It's me, Mrs. Pattison. Let's talk converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. So, quick refresher, a mixed number looks like this. It's a fraction that has a whole number buddy that hangs out with them on the outside. So 5 3/4 is what we call a mixed number. An improper fraction is when the numerator, or the number on top, is bigger than the denominator, or the number down in the denominator. So it's super rude that 20 is making 6 carry it, because 20 is bigger than 6. So this is improper. Mixed number, improper. So how can we make an improper fraction into a mixed number? Well, we're going to follow these steps right here. So step 1, like I told you in class, we're taking the top, we're going to drop it into the den. It's the dividend, okay? So you're going to take the top, you're going to drop it into the den. So we're taking a top, dropping it into the den. The denominator is our divisor, so the number outside of the den. Our denominator is our divisor, the number on the outside of the den. Now we're going to divide like normal, and this time, because we are not trying to find decimals, remainders are okay. So yes, remainders are okay, whereas dividing decimals, we didn't need a remainder, we couldn't have remainder. Now they're okay for writing fractions, so that's what we want here. Then we need to organize our numbers and pay very close attention, because this can get confusing. So the quotient, or the answer that we get out of our division problem, is going to be our whole number buddy that hangs out on the outside. Okay, so the quotient will be our whole number buddy. Our remainder that we are allowed to get this time is the number that goes on the top. That's going to be our new numerator. And our divisor, which was, this is how I remember it, our divisor was our original our original denominator, so it's going to still be the same denominator. So our divisor is the denominator. Then lastly, most important, dance, because we are done with that math problem. So let's do 2 examples, okay? So let's take a look at this super duper improper rudely fraction, 7/4, how root of 7 to make 4 carry it. So we are going to take the top and we're going to drop it into the den. Our denominator is our divisor. So 7 divided by 4, 4 is on the outside. 4 goes into 7 one time. So the difference of 7 and 4 is 3. So now this is what I showed you in class, because it helps me visualize how to organize the number. We're going to start with the quotient. And we're going to follow these arrows, right? So start with the quotient. The quotient is our whole number, so 1 and 3. Our remainder is our numerator, and 4 is our denominator, and 4 is our original denominator, so it's kind of easy to remember it that way. But here we go. It's 1 and 3/4. 1 and 3/4. That's why I wrote these orange arrows, because we're doing 1. We're starting with the quotient, 1 and 3/4. 1 and 3/4. So 7/4 can actually be rewritten as 1 and 3/4. If you would like to check your work, you can by changing your mixed number back into the improper fraction, and you'll find that they are equivalent. So let's do one more example to help get you through the day here. Okay, so 20/6, super root of 20 to be carried by 6. So 20 divided by 6. 20 divided by 6. We're going to take the top, we're going to drop it down into the dividend. Our denominator is now going to be our divisor, and so we have 20 divided by 6. 20 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 20 3 times, because 6 times 3 is 18. The difference of 20 and 18 is 2. So now remember our orange arrows always, and if it helps you to write them, please do. So we're going to start at the top with the quotient, 3 and 2/6. 3 and 2/6. 3 and 2/6. 3 and 2/6. So I got my 3 right here. The quotient is our whole number. Our remainder is our numerator, and our denominator will stay the same. So 3 and 2, 6. 3, 2, 6. 3, 2, 6. And that's how we take an improper fraction and turn it into a mixed number. Bye, guys.